Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand how to view e-payments that are sent to the bank with the required information. Once you export a payment transaction from TallyPrime, you can find the transaction in the e-payments report under the Sent to Bank Unreconciled section. Thereafter, you can import the bank or payment reverse file so that the status of the transaction gets refreshed in the report. The e-payments report ensures that you can view the status of e-payments as per the payment reverse file. Based on the information in the payment reverse file, the payments can be successful, unsuccessful, or in progress. Let's open the e-payments report. Press Alt-G. Type or select banking activities and press Enter. Drill down from the relevant bank ledger under the e-payments column. Here, the Sent to Bank Unreconciled section contains the transactions based on their status. Let's view the transactions that are in progress. Drill down from the In Progress section. You can view the party, transfer mode, and status. Once you import the payment reverse file, the status of the transaction gets updated based on the information in the imported file. To view the instrument date in the report, press F12 and enable Show Instrument Date. You can enable other options as needed. If you want to view other details such as account number and IFSC in the report, then enable the detailed view. You can enable more options based on the information that you want to view. Press Ctrl A to save the configurations. You can view the instrument date. As the transaction is still in progress, you cannot view the instrument number. Moreover, you can view other information as enabled under the detailed view. Now, let's see how to import the payment reverse file to update the status of these transactions. Press Alt-O and select Payment Reverse File. Select the bank ledger. Specify the file path and select the file to import. Once the payment reverse file is imported successfully, a summary appears. In the Sent to Bank section of the e-payments report, you can see the status of the transactions is updated as per their status at the bank. Now, let's view the transactions that were unsuccessful. In the status column, you can view the status of the unsuccessful transactions as failed or rejected as applicable. You can also enable the detailed view along with the information you want to view in the report. Press Ctrl A to save the configurations. As the transactions are unsuccessful, there is no instrument number. In some cases, you might want to reset an e-payment sent to bank. You can reset a payment that you have exported but not uploaded on the bank portal. In a different scenario, the payment might have failed at the bank or was rejected by an authorizee due to incorrect details. You would want to export such payments again. So, you will need to reset the payments. Select a transaction that you want to reset and press F8. It will move to the Ready for Sending to Bank section of the report. Thereafter, you can review the transaction and then export it. When a payment is authorized and successful, you can view it in the Successful section. you can view the status as processed. The successful e-payments have the instrument number. When you configure the report for a detailed view, you can enable other details as needed. Now, irrespective of the status of payment, you can set the status of the transaction. Let's drill down from Send to Bank Unreconciled. Select one or more of the required transactions and press F9 to set the status. You can set the status of the transaction as processed or reconciled as applicable. Once you set the status as processed, the transaction will move to the Successful section. If you set the status as reconciled, then you can view the transaction in the bank reconciliation report. As you saw, you can view the e-payments that are sent to the bank with the status and additional details such as account number and IFSC. Moreover, you can set the payment status and even reset the payment whenever needed. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.